Hello everyone. Once again, my name is Aaron Christian Elota from BS Crim 22. Today I'm going to answer the questions: Is criminal investigation is an art or science? This topic is very important because it helps us understand how crimes are solved. So, for me, criminal investigation is both an art and science. First, it is science because investigators follow step-by-step methods and use evidence to find truth. They use like DNA testing, ballistics, and finger analysis, and even digital forensics. These are based on proven scientific processes. For example, DNA can link suspect to a crime scene with high accuracy. This shows that investigations depend on facts and scientific proof. So that that example, DNA that example on DNA is shows the scientific proof and facts. So next naman is investigation naman is an art is also an art. Not every case is solved by science alone. So, hindi lahat ng cases is nasosolve lang pag nagbe-base ka sa science. Investigators also need skills like interviewing witnesses, observing body language, and connecting small details that may not obvious. So, this require experience, judgment, and even creativity. For instance, two investigators may look at the same case, but one who use intuition and critical thinking may solve it faster. So it depends to the investigators where they find it easier. So it based on science or based on art. So it depends to their it depends to them. So even experts also agree with this. In book Criminal Investigations by Charles Swanson, he says it is both an art and science. Science gives us methods, while an art is about how we apply them in real life. So, science, meron siyang step-by-step method, but art is art is how we apply. So, yung science nagbibigay ng method, pero yung art is yung paraan kung paano natin i-apply yung binibigay niya na step. So, in conclusion, criminal investigation is both an art and science. It is science because it uses evidences and systematic methods. It is an art because it needs human skills, creativity, and judgment. So,